2016 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, compass, power windows, trip computer, electronic stability control, Sirius satellite radio, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer, overhead console, front reading lamps, rear view camera. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.